We're headed over to the east end of Philly. We're gonna go look at her new place at Drexel. Come on, see what else we can get into. There's a storm coming in, so that's what's up. And we took Metro again. Oh no, it's called SEPTA, and it was good, real fast. Where are we going now?
The Muter Museum.
And what's that?
It's an anatomical museum.
I'm already sweating, sweaty. It's so early in the morning, we're waiting for the trolley to go to the Muter Museum. So you'll see the trolley that runs through here. And then we'll transfer off the trolley and get back on the subway and head down to the Muter Museum. Okay. Woo! Okay, we made it up the 22nd stop. We're at 2116 Market Street at the Muter Museum, the College of Physicians of Philadelphia, the birthplace of American history. Okay. Pictures aren't allowed in the Muter Museum. There are hundreds of skulls here, and it tells the origin of the person that died. The second largest human skeleton is here. There are slides and anatomy of organs that with disease. There are medical illustrations, the hugest medical library, and I'm in the medicinal garden, so let's take a look because I can show you that. So we're outside in the museum. This is for acid, reflux, peptic ulcers, and arthritis. The meadow sweet. Ugh. Oh, garlic. Okay. Garlic for colds, sclerosis, and intestinal infections. Garlic. Oh, this is cool. Iris blue flag. Inflammatory skin conditions, rheumatoid arthritis, and constipation. This thing. Huh. These are all medicinal herbs. Blue flag iris. I feel like I have this in my yard for rheumatoid arthritis, constipation, inflammatory skin diseases. Oh, I think they might be grouped by ailments. Okay, peppermint, we know that's for, indigestion. I have this. Okay, fennel. Did you know that fennel is good for flatulence and intestinal bloating? Good to know. This is awesome. Crane's bill. Heavy menstruation, cramps. Okay. Lavender, restlessness, anxiety, and burns. Lavender. Strawberry, the common strawberry. Sore throat, diarrhea, and dysentery. Common strawberry. Here's wild strawberry, sore throat, diarrhea, dysentery. Okay. The marshmallow. Wounds, inflammation, ulceration of the mucosa. Marshmallow. Wow. Beautiful garden. Cutting through the museum was cool, and check this out. We're gonna go get some Thai food. I like this little playground. It's cool. Hey, hello. Oh God, you're. It's Saturday night. I was going to go out, but the National Weather Service has put in a severe thunderstorm warning. The rain is coming every which way. The streets are starting to fill up with water, and my kid and his girlfriend are standing at the bus stop out there. I told them Uber to wherever they're going. Oh my God, look at this.